delivered directly into what is often called the Essential Maintenance Manual for Water-Based Fire Protection System, the NFPA 25, standard for inspection, testing, and maintenance of water-based fire protection systems.
Think of NFPA 25 as the preventive healthcare program for your fire safety system. Just as regular medical checkups prevent major health crises, this standard provides a systematic framework to ensure that every component of your fire protection system remains in optimal working condition.
But what exactly does NFPA 25 cover?
This standard gives us a comprehensive roadmap organized around three fundamental activities, what we call the ITM framework. Number 1, inspections, the regular visual checks to verify that system components appear operational and free from physical damage. Number 2, testing, the physical operation of devices to confirm they perform as intended. Number 3, maintenance, the necessary work to keep equipment operable or make repairs.
But NFPA 25 goes much deeper than just basic checks.
The standard provides specific detailed requirements for all types of water-based systems, from standard wet pipe sprinkler to more complex reaction, deluge, and foam water systems. Critical components including fire pumps, water storage tanks, valves, and piping network. Specialized procedures like main drain testing, internal pipe inspection, and impairment management. Clear frequencies for every activity from weekly fire pump checks to 5-year internal pipe assessments.
What makes NFPA 25 particularly crucial is its emphasis on documentation and record keeping.
As the standard famously states, if it isn't written down, it didn't happen. This isn't just a paperwork. It's your legal proof of due diligence and system reliability.
In a sense, NFPA 25 transforms fire safety from passive to active assurance. It provides the specific technical guidance needed to move from wondering our system works to knowing our systems are ready.